Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. If you're new here, welcome to my channel. Fashion Wizardry here, aka Matilda, and you are a bit askew. Come on. Okay. Did that help? Did that make a difference? I hope so. Anyway, as you saw from the title, today I'm going to be doing Cardi B's 90-second makeup. To be honest, 90 seconds on makeup sounds like a dream. That's gonna save me hours and hours, mate. So I just wanted to follow along and see what she does and see how I'm gonna look. I know the head is looking a bit fat. I just filmed a wig tutorial and did not like it, so I'm gonna I can't even talk, but I'm gonna go back to my blonde, try that again some other time. But yeah, excuse the pea head. Let's just move on to the makeup tutorial, and I hope you enjoyed the video. She's so pretty. Wait. Okay, so I'm kind of nervous because I don't see her reaching for an eyebrow thingy. She's got good eyebrows. I don't. I'm instantly regretting this. I don't know why I did this, but let's just follow along and see what she does. So she's just applying concealer under her eyes. I don't know if there was primer before this. I don't know if there was foundation. So I'm just gonna follow what I see, okay? So yeah, let's just apply some concealer and stop talking. Blah, blah. She looks like she's going on top of it with a brush, even on top of like her eye. So I'm gonna assume she put some on top of her eye, like on her eyelid, on top of her eye. What the heck? So I'm gonna assume she put on some up there. That's a lot of concealer, mate. I'm just gonna put some over there, cause why not? Oh, okay. Her skin looks flawless though. I'm kind of sure she had foundation on, but maybe her skin is just that good. I'm gonna stop being a hater and blend my concealer. So I'm gonna be honest, I don't like blending my concealer with a brush because I'm unable to get the creases underneath my eye, and I'm really struggling. But they're not gonna be covered today. I mean, they're not gonna blend today, so I think that's the best we're gonna get. Does look very natural though. I like that. Is that a powder? Okay, so from what I can tell, I think she goes into the powder. I'm not sure, but I think she does. So we're gonna go in with a powder using the same brush. I'm gonna go in with my Fit Me powder and just go everywhere. So they're making it very difficult as I can barely see what she's doing. They're skipping and skipping and skipping. I guess that's how they made it 90 seconds. But I'm gonna put on some blush on my cheeks because she does look like she has a bit of color going on. Now I'm going to move on to brows. She clearly has some sort of brow product on her brows. Her brows look amazing, but I can see she's done a bit of adding. And I have no brows for one, but I'm just going to kind of naturally fill them in, I guess, if that makes sense. So yeah. So I kind of feel like that's the most natural brow you're gonna get from me. If I continue filling them in, they're gonna be so dramatic. They won't look as natural as hers. She has perfect brows though. Honestly, I'm a bit jealous, but it's fine. It is what it is. Looking at her eyes, in her crease, she's using a color similar to my Black Up blush in number 7. So that's what I'm gonna use in my crease. She didn't really prime the lids or anything, or if she did, they didn't show us her doing that. So that's fine. Looking at her lids, I can tell she's going in with a more golden color. So I'm gonna reach, I just threw that back. Anyway, I'm gonna reach into my Carli Bybel palette and I'm gonna use this golden shade right here on my lid and just spread that everywhere. I'm just packing that on, only on my lid. Next, she's doing a very thin wing, so that's what I'm gonna do, only on the top lash line. So I'm just gonna do the same. Next is my mascara and then my lashes. So I'm just gonna go in with my CoverGirl. So her lashes do look very natural, so I'm gonna go in with my Ardell Double Up lashes, which are my most natural looking lashes, to be honest. Oh, and I just went ahead and put that on top of my eyeliner. Wow. Have you ever messed up something so bad? That's me. She's then lining her lips with a brown lip liner. I'm going to use my Gabrini pencil in number 18 to do the same. So she takes a dark brown lipstick to complete the whole look. I don't have dark brown lipstick, but I do have this brownish color. I think it will substitute the same. It's Romantic Beauty lipstick in number 24, and it's very brown, just not very dark. And that is the final look. Okay, so thoughts on this look. Honestly, in my opinion, I think it was very fast, very quick. Barely took me 5 minutes to do this, but I kind of think she went in with foundation because my face looks like two different shades right now. I'm obviously darker here. I wish I had some foundation to even that out, but other than that, I look glam without trying too hard. So honestly, that was a really good tutorial. I just wish they'd used, or they'd shown us her using foundation. That way I can follow along. I'll link the original video down below. That way you get to see Cardi B in her element. She looks flawless, honestly. I wish I could look that flawless in real life. But anyway, yeah, I hope you guys enjoyed this video. If you did, make sure you give it a big thumbs up. Subscribe if you haven't already. And hopefully I'll see you in my next video. Until then, bye! Woo!